Hi, I'm Paco, and this is Osa the Rover.
This week on Osa the Rover, a new engine, building things, a lot of swear.
Today I drove from Colorado all the way to Texas, Wichita Falls, to be precise. And now I'm in a hotel room. It was only 11 hours of driving, but at least the weather cooperated and everything seemed to go okay. I'm excited about tomorrow. Go pick up the new engine, which should be interesting to see how I can get it in the back of the LR3. So we just finished loading up the engine into the back of my LR3, which was quite a feat. But now we have an engine. 2.5 liter. We have it. It barely fit in the back, but it did fit, and that's the important part. So now I just have to worry about getting it back home. It's only about 11 hours, but now we get to start the fun part. So today the harbor freight gods smiled upon me, and I now have a 1-ton engine hoist, a 1-ton engine stand, cinch strap, some gloves, a new torque wrench, all sorts of good stuff. So now I guess I'm gonna have to put some stuff together. So after a week of warm temperatures in our area, the engine had started to smell quite a bit, and on Friday I had just about enough. So I got the hoist together and did my best to extricate this beast. It actually went a hell of a lot faster than I thought it was going to, which really surprised me. But in the end, everything came out. There was no major damage to the LR, and there was a great feeling of satisfaction wheeling that sucker away.